অল্প সস্যা বসুমতী নদী তীরে হবরূপিতাহ। It is the শ্লোক of Kalki Puran, book's name Kalki Puran, author number 1, শ্লোক number 30, অল্প সস্যা বসুমতিঃ অল্প সস্যা বসুমতিঃ নদী তীরে হবরূপিতাহ। স্ত্রিয়ো বেশ্যা লাপস্তূকাः স পুংসাং তথ্য মানসः। অল্প সস্যা বসুমতিঃ অল্প সস্যা বসুমতিঃ। ফর দ্যাট অল্প সস্যা অফ বসুমতী নদী তীরে হবরূপিতাः। নদী তীরে হবরূপিতাः। অল্প সস্যা বসুমতিঃ নদী তীরে হবরূপিতাः। অল্প সস্যা বসুমতী অল্প সস্যা বসুমতিঃ। The Basumati or the earth will be less crops. At that time there are the want of crops. At that time the people will be not stay there. They began to stay beside the river. অল্প সস্যা বসুমতিঃ নদী তীরে হবরূপিতাः। And in this Kali Yuga, according to Kalki Puran, the Kulavadhugar will be preached to the kharab sambodhan, bad sambodhan. And when that bad sambodhan will be said, that they will be preached, and they will be laughing. When a man can say to the woman as a bad language, then they will be laughing, and they will take the peace. According to Kalki Puran, we see in this column of first of the 30 sloks. If we see in this world, here and there, we see this incident. When we go to the gather of women, we see the different culture of the sky description. And we understand that if we go to a gathering women, they are laughing. When we go there, we see that appearance. They take the bad language and they take the peace. It will be happen in this Kali Yuga, which has written in Kalki Puran. If we follow the Kalki Puran, we understand the whole appearance of the people. And in that people, in one side is men, in the other side is women. We understand all their behavior. And by that time, in this Kali Yuga, that their behavior will be downfall, true downfall. And if we go to Satya Yuga, their behavior good. Treta Yuga, their behavior go to less bad. But Dwapar Yuga, too less. And in this Kali Yuga, downfall. Their behavior, men and women, twice behavior downfall, downfall, downfall. And how their behavior, how their conduct will be happen if we follow the Kalki Puran. So I request all to follow the Kalki Puran and know the behaviors of yours, you and others, you and others. Then we will be understand how we are downfall, how we are downfall, how we are downfall. So I request all to read the Kalki Puran.